Have you ever stood over your recycling bin, holding a container, and wondered just how clean it needs to be? It is a common question, and getting it right helps ensure your efforts truly make a difference. The direct answer is no. Your recyclables do not need to be completely spotless or sparkling clean. However, they do need to be relatively empty and free of significant food residue to be properly recycled. The primary reason for this is to prevent contamination. Food and liquid residue can spoil other materials in the recycling stream, especially paper and cardboard, making them unrecyclable. Imagine a pizza box soaked in grease. That oil cannot be separated from the paper fibers. Contaminants can also attract pests to sorting facilities and create unpleasant working conditions for the dedicated teams processing our waste. Plus, clean materials are much more valuable as a raw material for new products. So, what does relatively empty and clean mean for you? For containers like plastic bottles, jars, or cans, a quick rinse with a little water is usually sufficient. You do not need to use soap or hot water. Just a swift swish and a shake to remove any leftover food or liquid is perfect. For things like yogurt cups or peanut butter jars, it is helpful to scrape out as much of the contents as possible before a quick rinse. The goal is to remove the bulk of the residue, not to achieve perfection. Understanding these nuances can help you avoid a common problem known as wish cycling, which is when you put items into the recycling bin hoping they can be recycled even if you are not sure. This often leads to more contamination. Knowing that a quick rinse is usually enough means you can recycle correctly without unnecessary effort or wasted water. Always remember that recycling rules can vary slightly by location, so checking your local waste management guidelines is always a smart move. By taking just a moment to empty and lightly rinse your recyclables, you are not only helping to keep our recycling systems efficient, but you are also actively participating in creating a cleaner environment. It is a small but powerful habit that ensures your recyclable items complete their journey and are given a new life, rather than ending up in a landfill because of a little leftover residue.